So now you can create amazing kids video using this amazing setup that you can see on the screen. Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Nowadays what happens on YouTube, you might have seen that kids animated videos are uploaded at getting millions of views. Now people are confused that how can they create such videos as well. So I have this setup that I've created without need of any technical, coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. What is going to happen that as soon as I will enter the kid idea story prompt in my Google Sheets with the style, you will see automatically within few seconds the video link is updated in this spreadsheet. Now if you don't believe me, let me show you how. Now to show you, I am going to enter a prompt right here. So this is my prompt, that is create a short animated story about a small squirrel preparing for winter while the larger animals laugh at its tiny size. Show the squirrel collecting food every day while everyone ignores it. When a huge snowstorms arrive, the squirrel uses it carefully collected the food to help all animals survive. End with everyone appreciating the little squirrel. Okay, so this is my prompt, and for the style I will write over here as cute 3D cartoon animation. Okay, so this is my prompt and I've entered the style. Now as soon as I've done this, it will take 15 to 20 seconds for my generated video link to be updated back in this spreadsheet. So I will wait and I will show you the link that's automatically updated. And you can see right now the video link is automatically updated. You can see there is no one on this spreadsheet. This work was done automatically. Now if I will open this link, you will see a video is going to be installed inside my computer. And if I'll open this video that is installed, and you can see right over here, this is this video. Can you see? This video was created according to the prompt that I've entered in Google Sheets. There was no manual work. I've entered my idea and I got the video. So now you can also create this setup to create such amazing animated video that you can further upload on your YouTube channel for your kids channel or anything. So you can also create this setup right away. If you want to learn how, then stay tuned till the end of this video. So now to create this setup, I am using Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation tool that will allow you to create such amazing setups without need of any technical coding and programming skills. Now, if you want to test how Pabbly Connect is actually going to work, this setup that I'm creating, how it is going to work for you, for that, if you want to test it out without purchasing any plans, simply sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the 100 free tasks, you can create the setup with me. And then if you want to purchase their yearly or one-time plans, you can use my code from the left side of the screen to get instant and amazing discounts while checking out. Okay, so I am already a user, so I have already logged into my Pabbly Connect account and I have created the template for this workflow. Now, if you want the template that I'm using in this video for yourself, you can check out the workflow link added in the description section below. It's absolutely free to use. Now, in this template, my trigger is Google Sheets new or updated spreadsheet row. Now over here, I want that as soon as I'm going to enter the new animated story idea in my Google Sheets, that idea with the style should be captured in this trigger response. So that is why I have to connect my Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect. Now how can I create the connection? Using the webhook URL that you will receive in the trigger. So copy this URL and open the spreadsheet that you want to connect. Now for creating the connection, go to extensions, add-ons and get add-ons option. You will come to this window. On the window, on the search apps bar, you have to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks and install this application. You can see it's already installed. I'm going to go back after installing. You need to refresh the spreadsheet. Now go to extensions. You will see the option of Pabbly Connect webhooks. Now from this drop down, you have to go towards this initial setup option. In initial setup, the dialog box will appear in front of you, which is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. Now simply for the webhook URL field, you need to paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided you. Now what is this trigger column? The trigger column is the final data column in which the data will be added. The entire rows data will be forwarded. I'll explain it to you. That I'm going to enter my final data in this column B, my style. And I want that as soon as I enter the style manually, the prompt and the style should be forwarded towards the webhook URL. So what will be my trigger column? My trigger column is going to be column B, where I'm entering my last data. Okay. Then I'm going to click on this submit button. As soon as I've done that, it says setup configured successfully. The first step of connection is completed. Now, after doing this, there is one very important step that you need to follow. Go back to extensions, go to Pabbly Connect webhooks and turn on this send on event. It is mandatory to do that because as soon as you will enter the new prompt and the style in this spreadsheet is going to collect that new data, and through the send on event, it is going to instantly share that new data to the URL. Okay, so that is why it is important to turn on send on event. Connection is completed from our end. Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect. So now we have to test the connection. In order to do that, first recapture the response. It says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Google Sheets is finally connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I will do is I will enter the new data. I will enter the prompt as well as the style right over here. And then we'll check whether the connection, the data that we have entered is forwarded towards this webhook URL. Our trigger is capturing the response or not. Okay. So in that case, first of all, I will enter the new prompt at the style and show you. So this is my prompt. Create a short animated story about a little boy who discovers a magical glowing door hidden inside an old tree. He opens the door and enters a magical world filled with floating island, colorful creatures, sky waterfalls and glowing flowers, showing his exciting journey through his world before he returns home with a mysterious glowing stone. So this is the prompt and the style is whimsical fantasy animation. So this is the prompt for which I want the video, animated kids video, to be generated. Now I have entered my idea. Let me go back to my trigger and you will see the response is automatically captured. So we have tally the response. It's whimsical fantasy animation and this will be the same prompt that I've entered. So as now the response is captured over here in the trigger, Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect. Our connection is completed. Now I have the idea, I have the style. Now with both of the details, I want Gemini should generate the video. For that, I have added the action step of Google AI Studio, that is Gemini and text to video generation. Click on this connect option, go to add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key. To have the API key, don't go anywhere, just go to this hyperlink and you will go to the playground section of Gemini. Now in playground, you have to go towards this create API key, get API key section. You will come to this section. Create the new API key from here, name the key, select the project, create the key, copy the token that is generated, paste it down in this field and save the connection. I have already created the connection following the same steps, so I'm going to select the existing connection from before. Now after entering the details that I wanted, the connection is created. It is asking for the input. Now what is this input? You have an idea. This is the idea. You will enter this idea directly in Gemini. It will create the video for you. So that input that you're giving to create the video, the prompt that you're giving, you have to enter it in this section. What you want, what is the kind of video that you want to be generated. So I have a particular prompt written for this. I'll show you the prompt, but if you want the prompt that I'm using in order to create this video, you have to comment down below the word prompt and I will show you the video generation prompt instantly. Okay, so let me enter the prompt and show you. So this is the prompt that I'm using. Create a high quality, engaging, child-friendly animated video based on the following inputs. Now if you want this entire prompt that I'm using, again comment down below and I will share you. Okay, it is asking for the video idea. The idea that I've entered in Google Sheets should be right here. Now, I'm not going to enter this manually. This will make this data static. Instead of that, I will use the process known as mapping. Now, how can mapping work? Add a slash, previous step is going to appear. You will see in the previous step, you have the idea. Now, for this idea, you want the video to be generated. So you need to select this data from the previous response and you can clearly see this data is mapped right here. As now this data is mapped, it's dynamic. In simple words, whenever now the new video idea will be captured in the trigger response, that data will be automatically updated in place of this mapped data right here. So you need to map the data in place of adding the data manually. Okay. Now after that, we have to enter the video style. So I'll map the data of the video style also. I've entered the entire prompt. If you wanted, comment down below. Okay. and then simply click on this save and send test request button. It will usually take 15 to 20 seconds for the response to arrive, for the video to be generated. So you might have to wait. So I will wait and I will show you the video that is generated, okay? And you can see after 15 to 20 seconds, I have received this response. And over here in the response, I have received this URI. That's the video. One very important thing that you need to note. In the important notes section, it says copy the URI from the response, paste it on your browser address bar. So I'm going to copy this URI and open it over here in this section. Next, it says add your Gemini key in the end of URI using the key parameter. So my key parameter in the example is given over here. I'll copy it and paste it. I have to enter the key that I have used while creating the connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so that key that we used for creating the connection, you have to enter it in this place and then only you can access the video that is generated. So let me enter the key and show you. So I've pasted the Gemini key. I'll open it, and as soon as I've done that, you can see a video is installed in my computer. If I'll open the video, I'll show you the video that is generated through Gemini. You can see it's the same prompt that I've entered in Google Sheets. It's now converted into a video. And now as we have this video, I'm going to go back and add this video that is generated right here back in my Google Sheets so that I can have the systematic record. For that, I'm using the action Google Sheets update cell value. Click on this connect option, go to add new connection and click on this sign in with Google button. As soon as you will do that, this window will appear, which is asking for us to select an account with the help of which you have created your spreadsheet. So I'm going to select the account from here, and then it is asking for the access of the account, for which click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and you can see the connection is going to be created. Now we have to select the spreadsheet that I want to update with the link. My spreadsheet is created in the name of AI video creation sheet and sheet in the name of sheet 1. So I'll select both of the details over here. Now I have to enter the range. Range is column name plus row index. So in which column do I want to update the data? In column C. So I'm going to enter column C right here. With that, I have to enter what? The row index. For that, simply we'll map the data of the row index that we have received in this step. Okay. After that, it is asking for the value that is needed to be updated in the spreadsheet. The URI that we have received is to be mapped over here. So map it, and then you have to enter the same parameter that you have used over here, copy it and paste it in this section. Now, why am I entering this manually? Because the URI is automatically going to be updated with every new prompt. It will be accessible to anyone if I'm going to enter this key in the end. Okay, so if this data will be entered in Google Sheets, I can access this URI automatically. Okay, I've done that. I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. And as soon as I've done that, I've received this response. And if I'll open my spreadsheet again, you will see the link is automatically updated. And if I'll open the link and if I'll open the downloaded video which I have, let it install first. Okay, now if I'll open this video again, it will be the same animation video that we have generated. Okay, so now as the link is updated back in the spreadsheet, this entire setup is now completed. Now, whenever you will enter the new idea for any animated video in the spreadsheet, automatically Gemini is going to detect the idea and create the video accordingly and update the link back in this Google Sheets. Okay. So if you have any questions or doubts related to this entire setup, comments down below all the questions. I will reply to you instantly. If you need the prompt that I've used in this video, comment the word prompt and I will share it to you. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.